an AI tool for the cook who needs help. It's called Taste Bud, your personal cooking collaborator. The link to that website will be in the show notes. You supply the ingredients, it supplies the recipe. Let me show you how it works. I've opened the website. You can tell TasteBud what you're trying to use up in your fridge or pantry. And my example is going to be very simple. I have bacon, eggs, potatoes, and string beans. Give me a recipe. You can save the recipe to the site itself, and it uses cookies to do so. Actually, the whole site runs on a cookie. You have the ability to save your stuff by allowing cookies, or you can just say, no, I don't want to do that, but then you won't be saving any of the recipes it makes up for you. This is up to you. If you allow the cookies, it'll save your recipes until you clear out cookies. Once you do that, goodbye to your recipes. And that's about as much instructions as we need. So I've scrolled down and you now see the input for a prompt. Just type in what you want it to do. I have bacon, eggs, potatoes, and string beans. Give me a recipe. Once that's put in there, just hit this up arrow, send the information, and it will create a recipe for you. So let's do that. Takes it a couple of seconds, and as you can see on the right-hand side, I have a recipe. And it not only gives you the recipe, it gives you the instructions for cooking it. It gives you a picture of what it'll look like, and up on top is a download, so you can download the information as a PDF file, which you can then save or take with you in order to do the cooking. This is a freebie. I don't see any place where you have to pay for this, and anytime you're not sure what to do with the ingredients that you may have in your fridge and in your pantry, give this thing a try. Hope that helps. Enjoy cooking. I know we're going to try this recipe. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.